What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to a new YouTube video. Before we start, I just wanted to throw that out there. That Jack Payne stole my video idea. As you can see, my video was posted on the 19th of July, flipping off a boat. And a day later, Jack does the exact same video off a different boat. So, not saying that he wanted to copy my video, but he totally did. I know it's all jokes and stuff. I don't really care about that, but just a fun little thing to show out there. So, without further ado, let's just jump into the video. Okay guys, so let's start off with a simple, I say simple right now, but not the long ago I couldn't do it. It's muscle up to a flyaway. The muscle up part is done. Now let's move on to the flyaway. Almost failed that, but now let's move our way down slowly but surely throughout those obstacles. So I just came up with a crazy challenge. So as you can see right there are multiple bars standing right next to it. They have little, as I will call them, checkpoints right here. So what I'm going to be attempting to do, it may take a couple of tries, but hopefully I'll get it the first time I do it, because I really don't want to fall, is I'm going to stand on the very first one, on the very first checkpoint, and walk the entire way to the last one. And the challenge in this is that I'm not using my hands. So what I'm doing is, I don't know if you can see me, but I'm walking in a straight line. I have problems with my balance, so that will be quite hard. Let's start off with my first try. Okay guys, so another challenge that I realized is how am I going to be getting up there? Let's try it. So now I just gotta stand up, right? Shouldn't be that hard. Or should it be? That is so scary. Let's give it a first shot. First checkpoint, second try. First try fail. What's new? I feel like the gaps are getting bigger and bigger. One more to go and it's just my second try. Oh god. Okay. And it's done. Just like that. Subscribe and hit the like button. Wow, guys, that was absolutely nuts, but I did it. Subscribe, hit the like button. Usually I do it at the end of the video, but this deserves a huge like, because the first one, the gap between the first and the second one is actually quite small, but when we get to those ones, this is like about a 6 feet gap. I know I probably just walked out of the camera, but wow, I'm excited. So let's slowly, as I already said, move our way down to that part of the course. So guys, I'm already all sweaty, but who cares? Basically, behind me, there's like this arm. There is this arm climbing course, and what I decided to do is, first of all, test my arm strength and the grip, and afterwards I'm gonna be doing the same course, but not with the arms, with the legs. So wish me luck. Let's start off with the arm hang. That was harder than I expected it to be. Last time I did it probably when I was like about 10 years old, back when I was in Russia. My arms are red, and that's why I'm doing the next one with the legs. Whew. That was more scary than tiring. That was quite easy. But what I'm gonna do right now is do a flyaway off this very little thing. So let's see how that goes. Not touching the ground, by the way, until I do a flip. Okay, well that was a fail. So guys, for this section right here, this is a lot of tires. So I'm gonna try to give myself a little workout and a challenge. I'm gonna do long jumps all the way across to right there. Guys, while editing, I just realized this section right here will have a lot of really noisy kids, and it is honestly very loud. So I didn't know if I should cut out the part where I'm saying what I'm gonna do, or should I leave it? So I decided to leave it in. Just be careful, headphone users. Just saying it's gonna be very loud. Don't listen to it on like the loudest you can possibly do, but basically after this section is going to be all fine. I'll probably insert like a clip of me saying that the section is over after it's done. From here, I'm going to land on this tire right here, jump down, get a little running start, and as you can see, the gap right here is massive. I'm 5'7", and this is like probably another 2 feet right there. So it's about 7 to 8 feet. So I'm gonna get a running start from here, push off, and reposition right here. And I'm gonna keep jumping on to the end, and do a flip at the end. Seems pretty simple, but it's also quite hard. So let's start it from all the way back there. Okay guys, so the beginning should be quite simple. Or not. Okay, let's start over. Guys, the section is over. Now you can put your headphones back on.
Make the ground shake.
No!
Make the ground shake.
The flip is done. That challenge is completed. Completing the last challenge, I want to move on to the next part of the video. See you guys there. Oh wait, what are you doing here? I'm not ready to film yet, I just woke up. But anyways, okay, so since you're already here, the plan for today is, right now, after we eat breakfast, we're gonna go throw some flips in the river right there. So, see you guys there. Whew. That wasn't long at all, but I did it, so it's done. Guys, the trip is over. Now we're on our way back to the lake, and afterwards I'm going to show you the ride back. Now it's sunny outside, so I can actually show all the stuff. Everyone's leaving. Hopping in the truck. We started this video off with a flip, but let's end it with the flip. Guys, that was it for today's video. This video was quite long, but at least I got everything that I filmed before into one video. Hopefully it went well. And so what you guys gotta do right now is, first of all, click the like button for the challenges that I did on that playground. Subscribe for more content. And don't forget to hit the bell. It is always good to hit the bell to never miss an upload. But also, comment down below, like an example for what should I do when there's something loud on the background, like the kids were in the video. Should I take it out? Should I put a warning? Or what should I do? So that was it for today's video, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Me bring it back down. They think it's a game right now.